Ladies and gentlemen, would you please put your hands together for Jonathan Marshall and his co-managers who are just coming round the top of their display. Their properly and horse display. Big thank you to Jonathan and his amazing horses, his Spanish and his Lusitanas for their display of horseback falconry. Thank you to Jonathan. His amazing birds of prey, great display. For those of you at the top of the retail village and in front of the big screen, you would have had a great opportunity to see Jonathan at work, performing with his birds and his horses. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the next 5 minutes, we'll be asking you to turn your attention towards the skies. Many of the birds of prey to real people flying through the sky, because it is, of course, time for falcons from a different nature. It's the RAF Falcons Parachute Display Team who will be flying in, not under the horses or onto Jonathan's arm, but into Goughty Park, onto the X's on the field, and we welcome them this year. Based in RAF Prize Hilton, displayed at venues all over Britain and Europe, heads-of-state and royal family, set many a record and introduced many exciting formations in skydiving, and it will be a true spectacle in the next 5 to 10 minutes, due to drop in at 2 o'clock. So I'll be ready to go towards the sky shortly and watch these guys drop in